Random pop-ups or string redirects suddenly appearing when you browse in Chrome. Most of the time, it's not the website itself, it's Chrome's pop-up and redirect setting. Let's check it and make sure website cannot hijack your browsing experience. So, open Chrome. Tap the three dots at the top right, then tap setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap site setting. Scroll down the screen. Under content section, tap pop-ups and redirects. And then choose one of these options. Site can send pop-up and use redirect, or don't allow site to send pop-ups and use redirects. It's recommended and selected by default. Once blocked, Chrome will automatically stop mass unwanted pop-ups and redirect thread. So, given to its function, if you want a cleaner, safer, and less annoying browsing experience, keeping pop-ups and redirect block is the way to go. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.